Hey! Oops. Hi!
Okay.
So, finally we meet. We don't have to Skype anymore. Oh, okay. So,
Okay.
let's go there.
Yeah,
Hey!
right.
So, are you leaving soon?
Actually, I don't know whether I should leave or stay, but I think I found a reason to stay.
How long will I love you? As long as stars are above you. Longer if I can. How long will I need you? As long as the seasons meet to follow that.
Hi Eric, how are you? Oh, thanks. Eric, I have something to tell you and it's quite important. I'm in the cafe right now and I see your girlfriend. She's sitting with some other guy and they're being quite close to each other, like, they're being intimate and they're like hugging and like being really close. So yeah, Eric, I think it's my responsibility as a good friend to tell you that. You have to know this. Yeah, and I've actually seen that guy before, I think. I've seen him in the airport. I think he picked her up from the airport. And, you never know. Maybe it's been going on for a while. Yeah, so just, watch out of that guy, okay? Eric? Eric, are you there?
The past is happening again.
Maybe Eric wants to rather see it.
I'll see you at Grandma here.
Oh, my phone. He didn't even ask.
Eric! Hey man. What's up? Hey man. Hey. So, why are you here? Oh, friends buffet, birthday party, stuff like that. Okay. You? Why are you here? I just finished my conference just now. Where's your girlfriend, Gina? We broke off 5 months ago because she got caught red-handed with another guy. Really? Yeah. She's just another open-minded overseas girl. Isn't that a bit too stereotyping? Not all girls like that, right? But I remember you told me she's a good girl. She she's very loyal, stuff like that. But how come she suddenly go out with another guy? Maybe they're just friends, or maybe they're really close friends.
Maybe. I just wish they are just friends.
Don't you miss her?
Yes, I do, actually.
Then why don't you call her up, talk to her? Maybe things aren't like what you see.
Should I?
If I were you, since you still miss her, I would do so. Oh, by the way, I have to go already.
Okay.
Bye, take care.
Take care.
Bye. Take care, man. Take care.
Eric, is that you?
Oh, hi.
Long time no see.
Yeah,
Why are you first?
okay, Gina, actually I wanted to apologize of breaking up with you in such childish way.
It's okay.
Can I ask you something?
Yeah?
What happened you and that guy actually?
Who's the guy? Who's the guy?
The guy that picked you up in the airport and we went out
You
with
mean
him.
Sean?
I don't know.
Oh, he's my cousin.
Oh, okay. Gina, can I ask you something? Do you believe in second chance?
I'm sorry.
Oh, okay.
Hey, honey. Okay, I'll be there in a minute. My boyfriend is waiting for me.
Okay, so I guess take care.
Alright.
Alright.
Thank you
So
next time.
see ya.
Bye bye.
Take care. Bye.